subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Lenovo's newest Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is a high-end tablet that packs some impressive specifications, including a Snapdragon 870 SoC, a 12.6-inch AMOLED screen clocked at 120 Hz, and a 10,200 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro has the bells and whistles to take on the recently unveiled Mi Pad 5 Pro, and it'll be interesting to see the two similarly spec'd tabs pitted against each other. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro ships with a 12.6-inch AMOLED panel, 2560 by 1660 pixels resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, which is also HDR10+ and Dolby Vision certified. It has a peak brightness of 600 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Tab P12 Pro packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC, coupled with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Lenovo has also thrown in a micro SD slot for good measure. The tablet draws power from a 10,200 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging, which can play back up to 17 hours of video content. It is worth noting that the charger included in the box is only rated for 30 watts. Cameras are nothing to write home about, but tablets, in general, aren't known for their camera prowess. At the back, we get a 13MP primary sensor and a 5MP wide-angle lens. An 8MP lens and a TOF sensor handle selfies, video calls and the likes. Face unlock is supported, too, but it is unlikely to use the TOF sensor in any capacity. Connectivity options on the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. Stylus input is enabled via a Lenovo Precision Pen 3.0, which is included in the retail packaging. 5G connectivity will not be available on all SKUs and will vary on a region-by-region basis. Lastly, the tablet's power button also doubles up as a fingerprint scanner. One can connect an external keyboard to the tablet via the 4 included pogo pins. For all the features that it packs, the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is surprisingly affordable. The entry-level Wi-Fi only variant will cost US $609.99 and will be available for purchase in the United States starting October 2021. On the other hand, the 5G version of the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro will not be available in the United States but is expected to make its way to EMEA, Europe, Middle East, Asia, in October 2021. So friends, how did you like this new tab by Lenovo? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if friends have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.